Morning children, happy morning. Welcome you all in our math session. Our shapes chapter is going on, and previous session we have learned some more shapes like cube shape, okay, then sphere shape, cuboid shape, cone shape and cylinder shape. Okay, these are some solid shape. Okay children, now today we are going to learn about rolling and sliding. Okay, rolling and sliding. Children, see here, I have a ball here. Okay, when I push it, look, it's roll. Look here, it is rolling. Okay children, see here, I have an apple. If I push it, it also roll. Here I have a lemon. Okay, look here, it is also rolling. Okay, now here is a perfume bottle. When I push it, it is also rolls. Okay children, now I will show you some other object. Look, I have a duster here. Now I push it, it's not roll, okay, but it's slide. Okay, it's slide. Look here, here is I have a eraser. When I push it, it's slide, it's not roll. Okay, this is a remote, it is also slide. Okay, so children, some things are rolling here and some things are slide. Okay, see here, I have a book or diary, it also slides. Okay, so some things are slides and some things are rolls. And see here, this round shape things. Okay, this ball is round, lemon, apple, here this perfume. So children, those things are round, it's roll. Okay, and these things are flat. Okay, here, look here, this boy have a ball and he place this ball on the table. Okay, does it stay in one place? No, its ball starts rolling. Okay, now take your notebook or book and place it on the table. Okay, does it move? No, the notebook remains at the same place, but when we push it, the notebook is slides. Okay, now here in this picture, the drum is rolling down the hill. Okay, then Mahek is sliding down, and here is a stone. Does this stone rolls? No. Okay, stone is not rolling. Okay children, these are some objects that are rolling and some are sliding. Okay, you have to make a list of objects that are rolling or sliding. Okay, I will show you one more time. See, this notebook is slide. Okay, then this ball is rolling. Okay, this remote is slide. Tomato is rolling. Okay, then this eraser slides. Apple rolling. Okay, now this marker pen rolling. This perfume rolling. Okay, these are some objects that are rolling or sliding. Okay children, now here are some objects. Okay, if the objects are roll, then you have to write there R, and if the objects are slide, then you have to write there S. Okay children, now here is a book. This book will slide, means we have to write here S. Okay, this is a bag. Bag also slides. Okay, here carrot. Carrot will be roll. This is a pencil. Pencil also roll, means we have to rolls, means we have to write here R. Carrot R. This eggs. Eggs, you know, it's rolls, so we have to write here R. Orange. Orange also rolls. Okay children, like this you have to complete this practice coach. Okay, now children, you have to do one activity related to concept of rolling and sliding. Okay, so here you have to see the object: pencil, book, marble, eraser, pen, bangle, chalk. Okay, and you have to write another things, that orange, then duster, box, football and mobile. Okay, and then here are two columns, one slides and another rolls. Okay, so you have to write or tick the things that are slides or rolls. Okay, now see here, pencil. Pencil will slides also and rolls also, like this. It's roll and it slides also. Book cannot rolls. Okay, so do here cross and here tick. Book slides. Now marble. Marble means what children? Small type of. See here, this is a marble. Marble is rolling. Okay, now eraser. So this marble is rolling, so we have to write here tick here, and slides no, so cross out here. Now eraser. See here, this eraser, it's slides. Okay, tick here, and it's not rolls, so cross out here. Pen. See here, this marker pen. Marker pen is roll, so tick here, and slides cross here. Okay, now bangle. See children, this is a bangle and it's roll. Bangle is rolling. See here, down, it's rolling. It's rolling. Okay, so bangle rolls, not slide. Yes, it also slides. Okay, so do here right. Now chalk. Chalk is rolls, not slide. Then here are orange. Children, tell me, orange will roll, not slide. Okay. Again here duster. See here, duster, it rolls. Sorry, it slides. So do here in slides, tick here, and rolls, cross out. Then box also slides. So tick here in slides column and cross out here in rolls column. Then football, you know, football is rolls, not slides. Then mobile, children, mobile also slides, not rolls. Okay, children, like this you have to make 3 columns and you have to write 10 things that are slides or rolls. Okay, write here these things name and then tick here it rolls or slides. Okay, children, you have to complete this activity. I hope now you know about the rolling and sliding concept. Thank you.